Hey everyone, and welcome back for another tree cutting video. So in this video I'm going to be taking down this tree that is right next to where the hammock is. It's actually one of the trees that the hammock is tied to. The foliage on the tree is heading in the direction that I want the tree to go. When I get a closer look at it, I'll be able to tell for sure. So I'm going to get my saw and get up there and get set up, take a look at the tree and see what we need to do. When I got up there, I looked at the lean of the tree when I took the hammock off, and it's hard to tell from here, but the top of that tree, the foliage is leaning hard, probably a good 20 feet between the top of the tree and the base towards downhill. So I am going to have no problem sending this tree in the direction I want it to go. A very simple notch back cut and it will go right where I want it to. I am going to try to cut it and notch it in a way where the tree will come off the stump, and I'll try to get the lower part of the tree to hit the ground just before the top. This way I can prevent breaking and cracking the lower part of the tree that I may want to use and cut on my sawmill. This tree is going to have a lot of stress in it, so when I do mill it, it's probably going to flex and pop. That's because it's growing on a hill and it does have a lot of that lean in it, so there's going to be a lot of stress in the wood. So it won't make the best wood for cutting on the sawmill, but if it dries flat and proper, it should come out okay. So I'm going to grab my buck and special just in case I do need to bang any wedges, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to have to do that. I just like to keep these things on me just in case. So this is the end of the blueberry bush row, and this is where the tree landed. So we did really good avoiding hitting Stacy's blueberry bushes. And this is the top of the tree right about here. The tree is down. We didn't hurt anything, break anything, hurt anyone. It looks like it's all in one piece. So next, gotta go up and grab my chainsaw. Let's go check out the stump and check out my notch and my cut and see how well I did here. Got my 066 up here, keeping it protected. Put this aside. Take the saw off here. Love this saw. And there we have it. It's a nice flat top. I kept the notch in the front pretty much flat, and then you can see I opened up the top. So I was hoping to get the bottom of, I guess, the tree to hit the ground first, but we'll see. And you can see I get a nice even hinge meet all the way across. I took my time coming in through the back cut. I came in about a quarter of the way through on the notch, which is about what you want, 25-30% of the way in. Got my hinge. I got a good probably 1.5 inches, 2 inches of hinge left, so that gives me plenty there. And you can see no cracking and splitting in the tree, no potential barber chairing. So I have to say this went pretty smoothly. And you can see, if you look off in the distance here, my well is here, and the blueberry bushes are here. And that's why I wanted the tree to land there. So I'm still pretty confident I can put these trees right where I want them to, especially when you're starting to get this close to the house and the propane tank. You don't want that tree to turn the wrong way. And there's that white birch I want to get. That big oak above me here, that's leaning hard towards the house. So at some point I'm gonna have to get that. And there you have it, the last few stumps. So I'm gonna set up down there, do a quick time lapse, cutting up the brush off this tree so we can get ready to bring it down to the dump. Well, I got the tree mostly limbed up. Had a little bit of issue with the chain jumping off on my chainsaw. So I gotta go work on that, which shouldn't take me more than a few minutes, but I'll get that all straightened up. I'm probably gonna work on filing the saw a little bit, get some new fuel and oil in there, and cut a couple more limbs off this, get it all bucked up. I'm gonna bring it down, some of it down to the log splitter. You probably can't see with all this light, but bring this down to the log splitter, get some of that split up, get the logs out of here and down to the sawmill, and we'll be all done. So yeah, I just wanted to share my experience taking these trees down, and I guess each time I take a tree down, I'll learn something new, and I'll share with you what I'm learning along the way. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, advice, please use that comment section below. I really enjoyed chatting with you guys down there. Really appreciate you guys all here watching and following along in the channel and our journey with our sawmill business and firewood business and woodworking. If you like this sort of stuff, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified when we put out new videos, because we're going to have a lot more fun, exciting videos like this coming out very soon. And I appreciate you guys. Take care. Stay safe, stay healthy. Be well. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.